Welcome to another Neighborhood Ventures renovation update. I am Rocky Peterson. I'm on site at Venture on Williams. It's going so well. I feel like a broken record when I say that, but it's always so encouraging when I come here. Things are on time, we're on budget. Danny and his crew are doing such a nice job. In fact, we have 2 units that are totally ready. As you know, the property is still generating cash flow because of the existing renters that are in here, but as we turn them over, they're going to be at that higher rate. They look beautiful. Brand new kitchens, brand new bathrooms, brand new surfaces. Everything feels light and fresh, just how we want it. And what I want to show you today really is the exterior. So we did such a nice job with phase 1, which kind of made the building look fresh and new. And now we're kind of onto the phase 2, which will complete the exteriors. So the most exciting thing is the pool fill-in. I showed you guys this last time. As you know, we weren't sure if we were going to leave the cool decking, if we were going to scrape it all. We really needed to wait until we filled the pool in before that determination was made, because to do it one way or another, it can sometimes be really expensive, it can sometimes be super easy and efficient. This way has actually been the most efficient way, and it's my preference, so I'm delighted. We now have a clean slate. We have a blank canvas, and we're gonna echo what we're doing in the front with the planters on either side of this pool area. We're gonna use pavers to define the area. We're gonna use gravel to extend the area, and then ultimately put up a beautiful gazebo, outdoor lights. It's going to be beautiful, and I can't wait for the final reveal on this one. So I've touched on some high points on what's going on. The most important parts, obviously, are the interiors, getting them ready, the exteriors, getting it finalized. But there is one little thing that I feel like I want to show you because it is cool and it's made such a difference already. So this is a smaller detail, but one that I'm really excited about. And this happens occasionally when we walk through properties for the first time. I'll notice something and then I'll think, how can we make that more intuitive? How can we make that a better solution? And what I found is this used to have gravel and plants and some big boulders. We're removing all of that because the residents would actually position patio furniture in these spaces, and I thought, let's give them what they want. And so we've cleared it all out. We're going to use the same pavers that we're using in the courtyard, and it's going to really streamline this area. It's going to allow residents to be able to use it so much better. This is one of those things that when we think it through and it really works, it's really gratifying. Thank you so much for following along. I love to educate our investors on what's going on. In fact, I love that I can come out here and sweat it out at the end of June, and you don't have to. This is another Neighborhood Ventures renovation update, Venture on Williams.
It's going to be really nice.